Hey there, amazing souls. Welcome back to the Neville Goddard Son of Abdullah channel. Today we're embarking on a transformative journey. Change Your Reality, Neville Goddard's Guide to Self-Concept Transformation. Get ready to unlock the power within. Neville teaches us that our self-concept shapes our reality. It's like the blueprint of our experiences. Today we're delving deep into how transforming your self-concept can change your entire world. Take a moment to reflect on your current self-concept. What stories are you telling yourself? Neville emphasizes that awareness is the first step toward transformation. Dive into the magic of imaginal acts. Neville encourages us to vividly imagine the person we want to become. See yourself in that ideal state and feel the emotions as if it's already true. Neville's I am affirmations are like seeds for your new self-concept. Craft powerful statements that resonate with your desired state. Repeat them with conviction and watch your reality shift. Live as if your transformation has already happened. Neville's technique of living in the end involves acting, thinking, and feeling like the person you aspire to be. It's like stepping into your future self. Identify and release limiting beliefs that hold you back. Neville teaches us that our beliefs shape our experiences. Free yourself from the constraints of old stories and embrace a new narrative. Self-love is at the core of self-concept transformation. Neville encourages us to love ourselves into the person we want to be. It's not about arrogance, but recognizing your inherent worth. Transformation is a journey, not a destination. Neville emphasizes the importance of consistency and persistence. Keep nurturing your new self-concept daily and watch the gradual unfoldment. That wraps up our exploration of Neville Goddard's Guide to Self-Concept Transformation. If you're ready to change your reality, hit that like button, share with your fellow reality shapers, and don't forget to subscribe for more profound insights. Drop a comment below on your favorite self-concept transformation tip, and let's create a reality filled with love, joy, and abundance together.